We often look to the stars, marveling at the twinkling lights that have fascinated humanity for millennia. The vast universe beyond our planet holds countless mysteries and wonders, each more awe-inspiring than the last. But what if a breathtaking spectacle existed right here, above our own world? Imagine looking up and seeing something extraordinary every night. Imagine Earth, our home, adorned with magnificent rings like those of Saturn. These rings would be a sight to behold, transforming our sky into a canvas of cosmic beauty. Saturn's rings, composed primarily of ice and rock, are a celestial marvel. They have captivated astronomers and stargazers alike for centuries. Now let's envision our own planet graced with these cosmic rings. How would they form? What events would lead to such a spectacular transformation? What would our world look like beneath these celestial bands? The rings would cast shadows and reflect sunlight, creating a dynamic and ever-changing sky. The presence of rings would forever alter our perception of Earth. They would be visible from every corner of the globe, a constant reminder of the universe's grandeur. They would become an integral part of our sky, a constant reminder of the universe's grandeur. Imagine the cultural and scientific impact of such a phenomenon. This essay embarks on a journey to explore the captivating possibilities and profound implications of Earth possessing rings like Saturn. Join us as we delve into this fascinating concept and imagine a new wonder in our sky. How could Earth acquire such magnificent rings? This question has intrigued scientists and dreamers alike for generations. The idea of our planet adorned with rings much like Saturn is both fascinating and mysterious. But what could have led to such a spectacular phenomenon? Several scenarios could lead to their formation. The cosmos is a dynamic and often violent place, with countless events that could potentially create rings around a planet. One possibility is a cataclysmic event in Earth's early history. Imagine a time when our solar system was still young and chaotic, with celestial bodies frequently colliding. A large moon, orbiting closer than our current moon, could have been shattered by a collision with an asteroid or comet. The force of such an impact would be immense, sending debris hurtling into space. The resulting debris, caught in Earth's gravitational pull, would then gradually flatten into a ring system as it orbited our planet. Over time, these particles would spread out, forming the beautiful rings we envision. Another scenario suggests that volcanic activity on a large moon could have ejected vast amounts of material into space. Volcanic eruptions on such a scale would be truly spectacular, with plumes of ash and rock reaching far beyond the moon's surface. This material, captured by Earth's gravity, could coalesce into rings over millions of years. The gradual accumulation of volcanic debris would eventually form a ring system, slowly but surely. Regardless of their origin, these rings, composed of countless particles of ice, rock, and dust, would circle our planet in a mesmerizing dance of celestial mechanics. Each particle, no matter how small, plays a crucial role in the structure and beauty of the rings. Each particle, a miniature moon in its own right, would contribute to the grandeur of Earth's rings. Together they create a stunning and dynamic display, a testament to the incredible forces at work in our universe. The most dramatic change would be the appearance of our sky. The rings, illuminated by the sun, would create a breathtaking spectacle visible both day and night. Imagine a band of shimmering light stretching across the sky, casting ethereal shadows on Earth's surface. From certain latitudes, the rings would appear as a bright arc across the heavens, while at the equator, they would form a thin, luminous line directly overhead. The rings' appearance would vary depending on the observer's location. Near the equator, the rings might even cast a noticeable shadow, dimming the sunlight during certain times of day. This celestial ballet of light and shadow would make every sunrise and sunset even more awe-inspiring. Section 4. The Rings' Embrace on Earth. The presence of rings would touch every aspect of life on Earth. Beyond the visual splendor, the rings would have significant environmental impacts. The most immediate effect would be an increase in reflected sunlight, potentially altering Earth's climate. The rings could reflect sunlight back into space, leading to a cooling effect, or they could trap heat, contributing to a warmer climate. The exact impact would depend on the ring's composition, density, and orientation. Furthermore, the rings could interfere with astronomical observations. The scattered light from the rings would make it more challenging to observe faint stars and galaxies. This would necessitate new approaches and technologies for space observation. Section 5. Inspiration and innovation under the rings. Humanity's response to the rings would go beyond mere adaptation. These celestial wonders would undoubtedly spark our imagination, inspiring new myths, stories, and artistic expressions. Imagine ancient civilizations incorporating the rings into their mythology, weaving tales of gods and celestial beings. The arts would flourish, with painters, poets, and musicians drawing inspiration from the rings' ethereal beauty. The rings would become a symbol of unity, reminding us that we share a common sky and a common home. Beyond artistic inspiration, the rings would also drive technological innovation. The challenge of studying and understanding the rings would lead to advancements in astronomy, physics, and engineering. Section 6. Navigating a world transformed. The rings would transform navigation. Sailors and explorers throughout history relied on celestial objects like the stars to navigate. The rings, a constant and prominent feature in the sky, would provide new navigational reference points. Imagine using the rings to determine latitude or chart courses across the oceans. The rings would become an integral part of our maps and navigational systems. However, the rings would also pose challenges to space exploration. Launching rockets and satellites through the rings would be risky, requiring careful planning and advanced technology to avoid collisions. Section 7. A universe of wonder awaits. Living with rings would be a profound experience. Imagine looking up every night and seeing a celestial spectacle that never ceases to amaze. The rings would be a constant reminder of the vastness and beauty of the universe. It would change our perception of our place in the cosmos, reminding us of the universe's beauty, power, and endless capacity to surprise us. The rings would be a symbol of the mysteries that lie beyond our reach, urging us to look deeper and dream bigger. The rings would serve as a constant source of wonder, sparking our curiosity and pushing us to explore the unknown. They would inspire artists, scientists, and dreamers alike, becoming a muse for countless works of art and scientific discoveries. Though we currently only dream of Earth adorned with rings, the idea itself opens our minds to the endless possibilities that the universe holds. It encourages us to think beyond the ordinary and imagine the extraordinary. The universe is filled with countless wonders waiting to be discovered. From distant galaxies to mysterious black holes, each discovery brings us closer to understanding the cosmos and our place within it. As we continue our exploration of the cosmos, we uncover new secrets and marvels that challenge our understanding and ignite our imagination. Each mission, each observation, brings us one step closer to unraveling the mysteries of the universe. We may yet find other planets, perhaps even more breathtaking than our own, adorned with celestial rings that defy imagination. These discoveries will expand our horizons and deepen our appreciation for the wonders of the universe. Until then, let us cherish the wonders of our own world and never stop asking, what if? Our planet is a treasure trove of natural beauty and mysteries, waiting to be explored and understood. For in the realm of science and imagination, the possibilities are limitless. Every question we ask, every hypothesis we test brings us closer to the truth and opens new doors to the unknown. Let us continue to dream, explore, and discover. If you enjoyed this journey through the cosmos, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share Hidden Wonders for more videos exploring the mysteries of our universe.